Hey gang, this is just a quick teaser update of an upcoming Vallis with Casita. You know, it's the most popular floor plan. I've sold hundreds of these. I've never sold one like this. This thing, the thoroughness and of the update and the commitment to quality are off of the hook. So I just want to show you a little bit, just a little bit to give you a teaser of what they've done here. By the way, don't look at the rest of the house. Just look at what I'm trying to show you. Wait for the pictures to see the good stuff, but come on inside. I want to just give you a feel for this. It's going to be worth your time. To start with, let's get kind of a before and after shot. Lindsay's going to cut in what this house looked like when I sold it to him. And you can see the looking against the rear wall there, you've got a window, a door, and then the transom or the clear story windows above that. Check out what's here now. The window and the door, 10-foot sliders all the way up. It just makes the room feel so much bigger. Opens out, brings that outdoor living in. How good is that? If you like tech, you are gonna love this home. This is a completely smart home. You can control everything on your phone or your iPad or what have you. It has the Sonos system throughout, lots of great speakers and stuff. This, I haven't done this before. This is a frame TV. This is set up to look like art. You know, why have a black obelisk on your wall just sitting there when you can have artwork? This thing can scroll through. You can have your own pictures. You can have artwork up there. So cool. Just adds to the house. And the whole house is the Lutron lighting system. Again, you can control it with your phone or the iPad, but also even the switches are better. Really simple. You hit this button, the top takes the lights all the way up. This is midpoint if you want them halfway. This is off. How simple is that? And of course you can do anything in between too, but everything here is just tech enabled, fantastic stuff. But this house is really about, for them, easy living and entertaining. Look what they did over here. They've opened up the kitchen much more, but normally this is the little breakfast nook in the Vallis. They've turned it into a beverage bar. You got an ice maker here, wine, and then 2 refrigerator drawers. And of course, everything else set up in here. So what is, for many people, kind of wasted space, they used. This is awesome. Never seen this before. And then, what's most important to a lot of people these days, outdoor living. Let's take a look at what they did out there. By the way, Winston wanted to show you the outside of the house. I talked before about the 10-foot doors, the way it brings the outdoor living in. I'm actually outdoors, but if it starts to get a little too cool for you, check this out. These blinds are unbelievable, completely remote. You control them independently, whatever you want to do. But once they're down, they're even bug-proof. So this really expands your living area, makes the house bigger. This is incredible. These guys have thought of everything in this home. So that's just a teaser. You'll get the pictures and we'll have all the details in there of the incredible quality they built into this place. But I just wanted to give you a little bit of a sense of that. If you're looking for a home that's already done, in this new tariff era, updating things won't be fun. So if you want one that's already done or you know somebody that does, give me a call. In fact, we've got 5 or 6 more listings coming out soon. Give me a call, let me know what you're looking for. Thanks for listening and look for this coming soon.